What's happening, y'all? So this LS Chevy Ride 89, back with box Chevy Dame Caprice on his panoramic install, and I'm just showing y'all the update on his panoramic, and I'm just about wrapping up on his Caprice. I got this is the fiberglass sanded down. I need to go and lay the body filler down. Let me get y'all another shot. So yeah, so the fiberglass all the way around is sanded all the way around. So now I need some filler to go around the edges. I got the filler, but it's not gonna be enough, nowhere near enough what Dame got for me. And he bought them the small cans, and this is gonna be all day, and I know it's not enough because I used all the fiberglass he got for me. So I know it's nowhere near enough of body filler. So yeah, waiting for him to send me some money and wrap up on this and get her gone. But all I gotta do now is let me show y'all, give you all a little different view. This thing look nice, man. I'm telling you, it look nice in this car. Give y'all a zoom in. So I gotta fill in right where y'all see right here along the edges. The back is good. It's got some little fill-ins, and the front got to fill in and along the other side. But yeah, y'all. So this is next. What I'm messing with is his drain lines. He got some big ones. I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to make this work, for the simple fact because drain lines got to go in between the door jamb, and these are big. So I might just run them in a bucket, cut out his hole. I told my boy to get some new pants, man. This way method, man, I don't like this method, dog. Not the cardboard, dog. But yeah, back behind here, I'm gonna have to run the hole, drill the hole out for him and stuff like that. And same in the rear. So that side, and I have to do the rear. And then she gone, man. I told him this week. I told him Thursday or what's that, Wednesday or Thursday I'll be done. And shit, he wanted to come get the car Sunday. So come get her on up out of here, because I need my spot. So yeah, man, I'm happy. It's all the junk cut out from the box, plus some of my hood conversion. So yeah, y'all, I got the wife out here with me, helping me get it in on these cars back here. But I'm really trying to get on this one to get him on up out of here, because he's been in here a minute, and I had some corona. I didn't catch no corona, but corona issues and the world slowing down and whatnot. So get back on him and get him happy. But man, I clean it all up. When I clean it off for him, when he pick it up, it's gonna look amazing, because it looks good up in there. Kind of wish I would have, the guy had the other style Mini Cooper, the first gen. Kind of wish he had that, but it's not as wide as this one though. This is a wide panoramic. It's real wide. It's wider than the first gen. So yeah, I'm just giving y'all a little update of Dame's box. Man, it looks so good. It looks so good. So yeah, these roofs, Mini Cooper roofs, look good on these box Chevys. I'm gonna tell you that for sure. They look real good. I wonder what color he gonna paint it. It look real good. So I'm gonna start covering this back up, and I got some errands to run. Today is Halloween, so happy Halloween to everybody. And I appreciate all the subscribers. I appreciate everyone just sitting down, watching my videos. So I thank y'all. I thank all you guys. So I'll see you guys soon. There will be another video. Hopefully I'll make something up. I'm just making videos of what I'm doing, and if people ask, well, how'd you do? I make a how-to. So thanks for watching, you guys. Rate, share, subscribe, and do whatever you want to do. I'll see you guys soon.